Lions and tigers are both majestic big cats, but they have distinct differences. Lions are found in grasslands, savannas, and open woodlands of Africa. Tigers inhabit various environments, including forests, grasslands, and mangrove swamps, across Asia. Lions are social animals and live in groups called prides, consisting of related females and their cubs, as well as a coalition of males. Tigers are generally solitary animals, with males and females coming together only for mating purposes. Lions are carnivores that primarily prey on ungulates, hoofed animals like zebras, wildebeests, and buffalo. Tigers are also carnivores, but their diet includes a variety of prey, such as deer, wild boar, and even large animals like water buffalo. Lions are known for their agility and can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour for short bursts. Tigers are powerful runners and can reach speeds of around 40 miles per hour, 64 kilometers per hour in short sprints. Lions have a tawny-colored fur with a mane around the head, and females lack the prominent mane. Tigers have a distinctive orange coat with black stripes, providing effective camouflage in their natural habitats. In summary, lions are social cats living in prides, while tigers are usually solitary. Lions are found in Africa, whereas tigers are native to Asia. Their differences extend to their hunting styles, physical characteristics, and preferred habitats.